Hello and welcome to Python in 60 Seconds. In this series, I will be teaching you the fundamentals of Python, with each episode being 1 minute long. To get started, we're going to download Visual Studio Code. I already have it set up right here, but you can go to the Visual Studio Code website and find it there and download for whatever platform you're on. Next, we're going to want to create a new file. The way we can do this is we can go to File and then create a new file. If you already have existing files, you can click on this file folder right there and create a new one. Now we're going to want to create this file and save it as a Jupyter Notebook file. So the way that we do this is we go down, if you're on Mac at least, you're going to name it and then you're going to go down all the way until you see Jupyter Notebook, and it'll save as that. And now we basically have a workspace for our code. So here what we're going to do is I'm just going to type something out, and you can see that the code is running and it's recognizing that it's invalid syntax. I'll see you in the next episode.